Welcome to Top English Idioms by Perfectly Spoken.
To have cold feet or to get cold feet. I think the Cambridge Dictionary definition is great. It says is to suddenly become too frightened to do something you had planned to do, especially something important. Its origins, possibly one of these two. It dates back to the 19th century and refers to the physical sensation of fear or anxiety that a particular situation might put you in. And the result is that your feet go cold and sticky or clammy. The alternative is that it comes from the military. And again, it's that sensation of fear, anxiety that soldiers might face just before they go into battle, and as a result, their feet go cold. Very commonly used if somebody decides not to get married at the very last minute. All the guests had arrived at the church, they're all waiting for the wedding ceremony, but the groom never arrives. He gets cold feet. My friend has always wanted to jump out of a plane at a very high altitude with a parachute to go skydiving. However, when the opportunity came, he couldn't go through with it. He got cold feet.